Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Trisha. I am a certified decorator and DIY coach, and I love talking about all things DIY and decor on this channel. Today I wanted to give you 3 pro tips on what you need to do before you customize your closet. That's whether you are going to do it or you're going to hire someone to do it. The first step is to identify what you currently have. It's hard to tell somebody your needs if you don't know them yourself. So I recommend going through all of your clothes, your shoes, all of the things that you would normally put in your closet and get an approximate count of what they are. So think about your shoes, your purses, your hats, your scarves, your belts, shirts, jeans, pants, skirts, dresses, evening dresses or sundresses, all of the things that you would normally put in your closet. Please take account of what they are. Do you have more short or long items? Whether you have short or long items helps to identify what kind of configuration you need in your closet. If you have a small amount of long items, maybe you don't need to configure your closet to hold a lot of long items if you're not going to have that. Identify some of the items that you would possibly fold or have in a drawer. That is also an option. So what are those things that you plan on having, because you need to know exactly how many drawers you need. So are you planning to store your socks in there, your intimate items? Maybe you want to put your workout clothes in the drawer, shirts and like your yoga pants, things of that nature, maybe your nightwear. Is there anything that you would like to display in your closet? Maybe you have some pretty shoes that you would like to display. Also purses, you collect a lot of nice expensive purses and you want to have it on display. Maybe evening gowns. Maybe you would like a glass door so you can see some of your garments in there. Maybe you want your shoes to be displayed at an angle. Maybe you like to show off your hats. Maybe you're a hat collector and you would like to display it at the top of your closet. Do you want additional lighting? Before you customize your closet, you may need to have an electrician, because most times closets do not have a plug. So once you wear your clothes for the day, they're dirty. Where are you going to place your dirty clothes? Do you want a hamper? Do you want to have a place where you can, do you want it to be shown? Maybe you have like a wire basket in your closet where you can pull it out and put in your dirty clothes, or do you not want to see it at all? Maybe you want to conceal. Have you considered an iron board? Do you want to be able to steam your clothes or iron your clothes in your closet? Once you are clear of what you need and what you currently have, the next step is to decide whether you're going to do the closet, customize your closet, or are you going to hire someone. If you are going to hire someone, I recommend getting a quote from at least 3 contractors. That way you can see whether the prices are reasonable. Assess which one is the best depending on what options are available. There are some companies that offer different materials than others, so just be aware it's not going to be all the same. Even if you are planning to get an IKEA closet, because that was initially what I was planning to do, get quotes from 3 different companies just to see what the prices are, because it may surprise you. And you may want to allow someone else to do it and not do it yourself. By you understanding your needs and you have all the items that you require, will help the company to better assess what options are available to you and how they can best help you. I was planning on doing an IKEA closet. I was going to do it myself, but after I received quotes, I felt it was better for someone else to do it, because I had so many other projects that I'm planning to do. I just rather let someone else take this on. The cost was reasonable. I actually had 2 closets done and I love the result. So make sure you get enough quotes. Don't just go to one company and just stop there. Make sure you do your due diligence and go and get quotes from 3 different companies, and they should come out to your home and tell you about their products. Ask a lot of questions about the materials that are used, ask about the warranty, and see what designs they come up with. The third tip is to prep your closet. I recommend you doing the prepping if you can. That way you can prep it however you want, plus you can save your money. They will ask you whether you are going to prep the space or do you want them to do that. If you decide to have them to do that, they're going to charge you accordingly, and they're not going to do it how you probably want it done. And here's why. They will take out the racks if you have wire racks, and they will patch up the holes. However, they will not paint it to the color that it was. So I want to give you an additional tip. If you prep your space, right, you have the ability to paint it a different color if that's something that you want in the background. I recommend you doing it because it saves money. If you have wire racks, all you have to do is unscrew it, and I will give you a link to a video that was helpful for me in removing the racks and patching the holes. If you want to paint it a different color, this is the time to do it. If you want to put wallpaper up, this is the time to do it. So I encourage you to prep your own space. It will not take long at all. And this is what I've done myself. These 3 tips are not only helpful to you, but they will be helpful if you plan on hiring someone. And you will feel confident getting the custom closet that you've always dreamed. If you like this video and would like to see more, check out these videos.